Welcome, I'm Nosi, and today we're diving into Alibaba's Qwen3 Max preview. Their first trillion-parameter AI model that comprehends and reasons at scales previously reserved for tech giants like OpenAI and Google DeepMind. We are witnessing the dawn of an AI arms race that makes yesterday's technology look like stone tools. What happens when computational power, once reserved for nation-states, becomes available to a global marketplace? Qwen3 Max preview isn't just Alibaba's entry into the trillion-parameter club. It's their declaration that AI supremacy is no longer a Western monopoly. While not at GPT-4.5's estimated 5 to 7 trillion parameters, this text-only model has reportedly outperformed previous champions on multiple benchmarks. The technical matrix reveals a computational behemoth demanding enterprise-grade hardware. This proprietary model runs exclusively on Alibaba Cloud's infrastructure, leveraging distributed computing architecture optimized for their own silicon. With 1 trillion parameters, expect significant memory requirements, likely hundreds of gigabytes of VRAM, across multiple GPUs. The licensing model appears cloud access only, positioning this as Alibaba's flagship AI offering for high-end enterprise clients. If we were to think deep, people who would buy products created by this tool are primarily enterprise-level clients in need of advanced text processing capabilities, multinational corporations with complex document analysis needs, research institutions handling massive datasets, financial analysts processing market intelligence, government agencies managing regulatory compliance, and technology companies building sophisticated applications requiring deep contextual understanding. 5 ways to capitalize. First, develop specialized vertical applications for industries with complex documentation needs. Second, create premium research tools for academic and scientific markets. Third, build language translation services for global commerce. Fourth, offer custom intelligence services for financial and market analysis. Fifth, develop content creation platforms for media companies that need scalable, high-quality output without hiring armies of writers. Welcome to our judgment matrix, where we evaluate Qwen3 Max preview across our 3 critical indices: workforce earthquake rating, monetization potential rating, and operational cost efficiency rating. The job market trembles as content creation professionals face unprecedented displacement. Writers, translators, research assistants, and data analysts now compete with AI that processes and generates human-quality text at trillion-parameter scale. Customer service representatives face significant disruption, as these models can handle complex inquiries autonomously. I would give this tool a rating of 4 on the judgment matrix for workforce earthquake, because it threatens entire categories of knowledge workers while creating few replacement jobs. The trillion-parameter milestone unlocks enterprise-level opportunities previously impossible. However, Alibaba faces challenges: Western market skepticism regarding Chinese AI, fierce competition from established players like OpenAI, and regulatory hurdles across jurisdictions. Distribution remains limited to Alibaba Cloud and OpenRouter, constraining market reach despite technical excellence. I would give the tool a rating of 3 on the judgment matrix for monetization potential, because of significant capability, but limited Western market penetration. Behind the sleek interface lies a computational monster devouring resources. Training costs for trillion-parameter models reach into hundreds of millions of dollars, while inference demands specialized hardware fleets. Cloud deployment offers economies of scale, but remains expensive for heavy users. Alibaba's vertical integration helps control costs, but the fundamental economics remain challenging. I would give the tool a rating of 2 on the judgment matrix for operational cost, because the resource demands limit accessibility to all but the largest enterprises. As parameters multiply into the trillions, we must question whether we're witnessing technological evolution or the birth of something fundamentally different. The distance between human cognition and artificial intelligence narrows with each model release. Will we soon be unable to distinguish the creator from the created? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Alibaba's ambitious leap. Subscribe to witness more technological watersheds as they emerge. Nosi out.